This session talks about how to import and using an external library into NetBeans, incorporating an external library into your existing work. So this particular library that we are going to work with is called symmetrics.jar, and Symmetrics is basically a library of Java code to help us measure similarity between two strings. If you go to Wikipedia and read a little bit about Symmetrics, it tells us that Symmetrics is an open source extensible library of algorithms for calculating string metrics, which are basically measures of similarity or dissimilarity between two text strings. So Symmetrics was developed and released by Dr. Sam Chapman from University of Sheffield. Now, the reason why we are using this library is because we want to look at how similar our posting text is with a group of negative words as well as a group of positive words. The first thing we need to do is to download this library, so please go to this particular website called sourceforge.net/projects/symmetrics. SourceForge is a repository for all open source software, so Symmetrics is indeed an open source software. So once you're gone to this site, click on this download button. So once you click on the download button and the jar has successfully been downloaded, this pop-up will appear. Just save it to a place that you want to put it. I put it into the C drive. Just click save and it should be there. So let's go back to NetBeans and import this jar that we have downloaded into NetBeans. The way to do this is to right click on the application, go to the properties, then go to libraries. Apparently I already have an existing copy there. I'm going to remove it. Click on add jar or folder and go to the particular place where we have downloaded the Symmetrics jar, which is, for me, is in the C drive. Open it and then click OK. By so doing, the jar would already be imported into NetBeans. So let's open up the homework 6.pdf, which gives us information about how to write, what code to write to use that Symmetrics library. So look at task number 3. So task number 3 says that we need to import the Symmetrics jar into NetBeans environment, which we already did. And in our homework class, to write the following code. So what we can do here is just right click, copy this code, go to NetBeans, and in the main method of the homework file, paste this code, do my favorite format here. Now if you notice, this Levenstein class is throwing an error because NetBeans is not able to find it, simply because we need to fix import. Right click, click on fix imports, and the import for the Symmetrics jar or the classes in the Symmetrics jar is done here. Hence, we are able to now run the code to check the similarity between these two strings, string good and goodness. we want to see how close are these two strings using a particular algorithm called Levenshtein. You right click on this and do a run file. So we can see that the similarity between these two strings is 0.375. Now if you make both of them exactly the same, you should get a similarity of 1.0. Let's run that again. So there are many types of algorithms inside this symmetrics library. You can also use the Euclidean distance, Jero-Winkler, cosine similarity, dice similarity. All these type of algorithms help you to find similarity between two strings. Now these different algorithms have different way of calculating. You can read all about this in this particular web link. Excuse me, this particular web link. So you can find all about this library here. So this library that we're going to use inside our project.